All right, guys, happy Friday. Today is August the 29th. We are in Conyers, Georgia. We just left Covington, but we got to go back to Covington to UV cure her floor. We just got to Conyers. We're about to do a countertop and a tile and grout floor. And then I'm about to leave and go do a consultation in Conyers for, what's that on my face, for a wood floor. So Tavares is going to go ahead and start this. Pretty simple, straightforward. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing here today. All right, guys, so, All right, guys, so this is actually one of my repeat clients. This is Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I actually did Mrs. Smith wood floors 3 years ago. She follows me on Facebook, and she said, Courtney, I want to get my countertops done. So she sent me some pictures, and I gave her a price. So these are the countertops we're going to be doing. So this is our second countertop today. Again, the one that we do the most is granite. So this is granite, and you can just see, guys, it just doesn't have that pop. Has a lot of residue on it. So we're going to do this, all of this, and you're going to see a huge reflection when we're done, because it needs some good sealer on it. All of this, okay. Then this piece over here. And then these are the tile floors we are going to clean and put down a seal on these as well. All right, guys. Well, we'll go ahead and get started. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to go do a consultation. I'll be back. Alright, guys, just got back. Went and did a consultation, went well, booked him on the spot for next Wednesday. So right now we're not working Monday because Monday is Labor Day, but we are working. We got a job Tuesday, a job Wednesday, and a job Thursday. So let's go in here. Tavares, I knew he took care of this really well. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. You all put the seal up, put the seal over here. Looking good, looking good. Nice. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I just put that final touch. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, look how smooth that is. Yep. Nice. I can see your reflection coming through as you bumping it. Do it. Nice seal on them. Yeah. It looks better, doesn't it? No, you can tiptoe across. Yeah, go ahead. Well, you can just go around.
Oh, it looks good. It looks good. It's gonna stay like
Yeah,
that.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna stay like this.
Yeah. Well, of course, over time it'll start wearing off as you get
Right.
used. But yeah,
But,
that's what I'm saying.
okay, that's pretty. It looks good.
Yeah. Now look at your countertops.
I know. I haven't even looked at them.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I can see the difference.
You can see the difference, can't you?
And how long do we need to wait on these?
Wait about later tonight before you start putting the stuff back.
Okay. Eddie, don't they look good? You like them? Okay. Now, what do we need to do to keep them like this?
I'll show you what you feel them. See how now you can see how they seal now, nice and smooth. Yep. It looks really good.
It does. I'm gonna shut the door so we don't get the flies, y'all. But you know them flies, you can't get rid of them.